Hello, hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint template on business. To make this PowerPoint template, you have to go in insert tab and then in shapes and insert a square and change its color. Now go into shapes again and click on a square. It now changes color to black. Now you have to go to shapes again and insert a rectangle. Firstly change its color to gray from a color and then to pink color. And now we're gonna insert the text in it. Go to insert tab and then insert the text box and enter the text in it. Now increase its size and change its color. In shape effects you can change the shape of the text. And now I'm gonna insert more text in the black square, and now I'm going to increase its size and gonna change its you know I'm gonna change its font. Yeah, like this. Now I'm going to open format shape, and from here I will change its color. Now go to shapes and insert a triangle and change its color. Now insert it into the corner, top right corner of the slide. Now paste it and change its color to white, and rotate it like this and adjust it like this in the corner of the slide. Yeah, like this. So one triangle is pink and the other is white. Now I'm adjusting it like this. You have to be careful while doing all the steps because they are very integral parts of the slide. Now in shape effects, I'm gonna change its effect and I'm gonna add another square, and in it I'm gonna place another smaller square, but it has to be four this time. So we're gonna place them like this. Another square, but now I'm gonna change its color, and in shape effects I'm gonna change its effect. Now we're gonna go in shape effects and change its effect, and I'm gonna decrease the size of the text. Now I'm gonna do some more color change. Yeah, background have to be in white color. Now I'm gonna add another text. In this I'm gonna type my number, I mean the year. Yeah, year. Now I'm gonna add my logo and some more content text. It is the first slide, so you have to make it introductory. Rectangle, another shape. Yeah, it's a unique shape. Now I'm gonna add some more text and adjust it. Now I'm gonna go to shapes and insert the same shape in it, but it has to be smaller one. So this is going to be our logo. Now go to next slide and insert another square in it. Now some smaller squares. It has to be six smaller squares, and you have to adjust them side by side. Now I'm gonna add text one, two, three, four, five, and six. Now I'm gonna go and choose an insert box. And now I'm gonna insert a text box. So it says about my company is the info about my company, and I have added text. Now in the third slide I'm gonna insert another square. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna change this color to black. Now I'm gonna insert another rectangle and change this color to pink. I'm gonna change this gradient from the format shape. Yeah, like this. You can choose any gradient you want and any texture you want. So I have firstly chosen a gray and white texture, and now I'm gonna change this gradient to a little bit of pink in the middle. Yeah, now I have written some text. So I'm gonna paste it. This is just a random text. You're gonna add some text that you want about to tell about and the content about your business slide. Yeah, like this. We're gonna insert another smaller squares. It has to be three smaller squares. Yes, like this. I'm gonna insert icons from stock images. So I have inserted this atom structure icon. So as you can see, I'm gonna change its color like this to blue pink, and I'm gonna paste it and I'm gonna add some text. Yeah. Now, as you can see, I'm going to change the icons as we can use the same icons 6 times. So I'm gonna change icons from the stock images. Yes, like this. So I have added about 6 icons, and I have added another slide. Is the fourth slide, and I'm going to add some more text. I'm gonna change the color of the pink. Yeah, like this. And I'm gonna insert another rectangle. It has to be pink, and in another one, it has to be black. In shape effects, I'm gonna change the effect of every rectangle. Now I have inserted a text box and I have added some text. Now insert a circle and change its color. And in shape effects, choose this option. And now I'm gonna add some more text in it like this. It's the number one bullet point, so I'm going to add text besides it. Yeah, like this. And I'm gonna increase its size and font. I'm gonna change its font. So I have pasted the same random text. It depends on you what text you want to choose. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'll paste the shape about 4 times, and I'll change the text in it like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first bullet point, this is the second bullet point, this is the third bullet point, and this is the fourth bullet point. Yeah. And I'm gonna add the content besides the shape. It depends on you what text you want to and what content you want to enter in the slide. So as you can see, I have added the shapes and text. Now in the fifth slide, I'm gonna add some a circle shape, and I'm gonna add the icon in it. Yes, this icon, this is the location icon. So I'm gonna change this color and I'm gonna paste it. Firstly merge it, decrease its size, and then paste it. As you can see, I have merged them, and I'm gonna select it and then paste it. So like this, I have pasted it. Now another one is the third one. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna adjust them. They all have to be on the same level of the slide. Now I'm changing the icons, as we can now use two I mean three same icons in one slide. So I'm gonna change it. Yeah, like this. The first one is maps, and the second one is a man, and the third one is a crescent moon. I'm gonna paste those shapes another 3 times. Yes, like this. And again, we're gonna insert longer line, and in shape effects, I'm gonna change this effect. Now change its color, and this looks nice. Now I'm gonna paste the same line, and I have adjusted it into the three shapes. Now our next step is to add some text in it, and I'm gonna choose another new slide in which I'm gonna insert another square, and I'm gonna change its color to white, and then insert another shape. It has to be a square, but it has to be smaller one. I'm gonna add three same squares. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. So I have inserted some about six squares, and I'm gonna add some text in it. I'm gonna change its size and bold it and change its color. And yeah, this is the final look. So I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna give it a pink color. Now another text box about the content of the slide, and yes, I have added the content. Now increase its size so that it may be clearly shown in the slide. I have added pictures and changed the box colors. Now in the in the about seventh slide, I'm gonna add some more shades, and I'm gonna change their colors. Yeah, so this is the shape, and I have changed its color to pink, black, and black. And the lower shapes are of blue colors. I'm gonna insert some more smaller rectangles which are of pink color. I'm gonna paste them in each square, and now change its color and gradient. Yes, gray, and a little bit of white. I'm giving it. I'm giving it a gradient touch. From a former shape, you can change the color, you can change the texture, you can add gradients, you can add solid colors, and you can change shape effects, which gives it a 3D look. Yeah, so I have changed the colors. Now I'm gonna select all of these three shapes and give I'm going to give them a pink and a gray gradient. Yeah, like this. As you can see, this looks great. Now, moving to the next step, you have to insert a text box, the text in it, and increase its size. Now, select the and now go to 8th slide. So I have inserted a new shape in it. I'm gonna adjust it. Yep, like this. Make it a little bit of longer and a little bit of narrower. Now I'm going to change its color to black, and another shape. Yes, like this. I'm going to increase its corners so that it looks like a um location icon. Now I'm gonna paste the same black shape and paste it about 4 times. And I'm gonna add some text in it, and our rectangle, and change its color to pink, and give it effect. Yes, like this. I have given it some effects, and now I'm going to paste it on the borders of the slide. Yeah, as you can see, I have pasted it again, and I have given it a pink touch. Now moving to our next slide, we're gonna paste all the text, and I'm gonna bold the headings and the different topics, and give and increase its size, and give it a color of pink. So I have given all the text about 6 times, and I have given a subheading and content, and a big heading. Now I'm gonna insert some shapes. like this, and change its color and give it a gradient and shape effect of reflection. Yes, like this. I've given it a reflection and changed its gradient. Now I'm going to paste it about 6 times and adjust it beside the text. This indicates that I have written about 6 times the text.